Hey, John here from John's Do It Yourself. After I posted the video on how to change out the string for the DeWalt trimmer, I received a lot of emails saying that the video made changing out the string easy, but the string does not stay in the holes inside the cap, and that during use, the string comes out of the spool. Okay, so I researched this and I want to show you a quick cheat you can use to keep this from ever happening again. So follow along and let me know if this works for you. I'm pretty sure the majority of you are already doing this. I used to do it on all my old trimmers. So let me know in the comments below and by clicking that thumbs up button if this was helpful. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks.
Okay, before we even get started, let me answer the question most asked. How much string should I use to fill the spool? You will use 12 feet of string for each side of the spool. So if you want to pull out 12 feet and cut it, you will need to do this twice. I don't do this, I just wind until the spool is full. So let's get busy. To pull this off, you will need a pair of pliers and some scissors. First, take the end of the string and make a loop. Then take your pliers and compress the string back onto itself to place a kink in the line. After that, cut off the remaining string to leave about a 1/4 inch left after the kink. Now, with the spool knob facing upward, you will wind the lower spool first. Find the insert hole and place the end of your kinked line into the hole. It should fit snug. Wind in the proper direction. If you wind the upper spool first, you will not be able to hold it in place when you attempt to wind the lower spool, and then you will start yelling obscenities. Now I am going to repeat the process of looping and kinking to create my hook. And since I am out of nice pretty yellow DeWalt line, I'm going to use my cool orange Echo line. This doesn't really matter as long as the diameter is the same. And in this case, it's 0.08 inches for me. If you use this hack, you should never have any problems with your line coming off the spool. Okay, now this would not be a typical John's DIY if I did not include my screw-ups. So hopefully you get a chuckle out of this one.